Did you know that SolidWorks is used by 7.5 million engineers and designers worldwide? This means that with SolidWorks, you can have the confidence that you're not just buying a CAD system, you're buying into the industry standard for mechanical design. SolidWorks has the tools to empower engineers and designers across the world. Collaboration with clients or hiring new engineers, it's all made easier when you choose SolidWorks. There's a reason the software has grown to become the most used mechanical design software in the world. SolidWorks provides the robust features and intuitive interface you need to turn your vision into reality. And it has the most comprehensive set of design tools out there, meaning you can build complex parametric designs, structural and fabricated models, fully mechanized assemblies, completely detailed drawings, complex consumer products, or run full stress tests with the software. SolidWorks empowers you to bring your ideas to life with unmatched precision and efficiency, meaning engineers can get on and do what they're passionate about, designing innovative products. With Visitive by your side as your chosen reseller, you can have the confidence that you're buying into a relationship with the experts in the field. We are the largest reseller for SolidWorks in Europe, meaning we can assist you with wherever your business wants to go next. Whether that's managing your whole design cycle with our PLM tools, handling your spare parts libraries, or optimizing your SolidWorks batch operations, Visitive has the tools and expertise to deliver full business transformations, all in collaboration with your SolidWorks. We also take the success and satisfaction of our customers very seriously. You can be assured that with Visitive, you have the partner to drive your business forward.